Okay, so as you can see here, okay, this is the structure for a hybrid cloud. Okay, it looks somewhat like this. It's somewhat like this. So see, hybrid cloud, as I said, is a combination of both private and public cloud. Okay, so you will have the public cloud here, and then you have the private cloud. Okay, now when would you want? Okay, so see, when would you want to have hybrid cloud? So actually, hybrid cloud बोल के कोई proper setup नहीं है. You know, there's a private cloud. You know, there's a public cloud. There is some organization who owns a private cloud. Then the general people, okay, are using the public cloud. That is fine. Okay. Now there might be a time when you would want to have access to both the clouds. Okay, when you would want to access services actually from these two types of cloud. For example, you have this organization A. Okay, so am I audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, so you have this organization A here. Okay. Now this organization wants to have services from both the public as well as private cloud. So of course this private cloud is completely owned by organization A. तो ये जो क्लाउड है ये पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ए का ही है. तो हम लोग प्राइवेट ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन प्राइवेट क्लाउड क्यों यूज करेंगे? ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज ऑफ इट्स बेनिफिट. सिक्योरिटी प्राइवेसी रीजंस के लिए इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के पास ऑलरेडी अपना क्लाउड है ही. तो जितने भी क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज है, फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज the company wants to make some database servers, okay, wants to have some database servers. So jitne bhi database servers honge, okay, all the critical activities involving the database servers, okay, तो वो क्या करेंगे? इस प्राइवेट क्लाउड से वो लोग लेंगे अपने ही क्लाउड, मतलब अपना ही जो क्लाउड है, अपना जो क्लाउड सेटअप है इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का. तो जो डेटाबेस सर्वर्स होंगे वो डेटाबेस सर्वर एक्टिविटीज वो अपने क्लाउड के अंदर ही परफॉर्म करेंगे. ठीक है. So this comes under the critical activities for this organization. तो इस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का कुछ और भी नॉन क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटीज हो सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल ईमेल सर्विस यूज करना जैसे, तो दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ अ नॉन क्रिटिकल एक्टिविटी. ईमेल सर्विस सब लोग यूज करते हैं, है ना. वी आर आल्सो यूजिंग द ईमेल सर्विसेज. तो जो ईमेल सर्विस होगा वो सपोज ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ले रहा है इस पब्लिक क्लाउड से. ओके, सो द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ए is accessing both the clouds at the same time, private cloud for its critical activities and the public cloud for its non-critical activities like the email service. Okay, and critical activities for the private cloud, like for example the database servers, managing the database servers. Okay, now this is possible for organization A. Suppose there's another user. ठीक है, एक यूजर है सपोज, दैट इज यूजर 1. ओके, देयर इज वन मोर यूजर, यूजर 1. तो ये यूजर आया बीच में, एंड दिस यूजर आल्सो वांट्स टू एक्सेस बोथ दिस क्लाउड. तो ऑफ कोर्स दिस इज अ जनरल यूजर. दिस यूजर कैन हैव एक्सेस टू द public cloud easily. Okay, this user can have access to the public cloud easily. But can this user have access to the private cloud? Yes or no? Can this access be granted to the user 1? Just like organization A owns this private cloud, ठीक है, or organization A is also using services from a public cloud. So just like organization A, there is another user 1. Suppose the user 1 is from another organization, okay, or he may not be working in any organization. He might be using for his own stuff, for personal use, whatever it is. So user 1 wants to make use of this hybrid infrastructure. Okay, so user 1 also is willing to access the critical activities of private cloud and non-critical activities of public cloud. So of course public, because it's open for all, it is understood that anybody anywhere sitting anywhere can have access to public cloud. So user 1 can be easily granted access to the public cloud. But is it possible for user 1 to get the access to the private cloud? If yes, why? If no, why?
No, because private cloud is using by the organization A only.
Yes,
No.
yes. So it is a big no. So this cannot be granted access. So this cannot be granted access. Because as I have already said, the private cloud is completely owned by organization A. So user one cannot have access to the private cloud. So in that case, user one cannot make use of the hybrid technology. Okay, only organization A can make use of the hybrid technology. Clear? So this is what hybrid cloud is. Is it clear for you all?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And the last is community cloud. So community cloud, it is slightly flexible than private cloud, but it is more restricted than public cloud. Community cloud actually lies between private and public. Private क्या है? Meant for only one organization. ठीक है? Public क्या है? Meant for all. Community is group of people, as the name suggests. Community means it is meant for a group of users only. So group of users मतलब जैसे for example you have two organizations, ठीक है? This is organization A, and then suppose you have another organization B. Okay, this is organization B. ठीक है? तो ये अभी हो गया तुम लोगों का कम्युनिटी क्लाउड. मतलब जब प्राइवेट था इट वाज ओनली विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. अभी एक कम्युनिटी है तो ये थोड़ा ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबल हो गया. ठीक है, ये अभी थोड़ा ज्यादा फ्लेक्सिबल हो गया बिकॉज इट कैन बी यूज्ड बाय मोर देन वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. बट हाउएवर देयर मस्ट बी अ लिमिट, देयर मस्ट बी अ रेस्ट्रिक्शन. इट कैन नॉट बी ओपन फॉर ऑल. ठीक है, सो इट इज flexible than the private cloud. It is less restricted than the private cloud, but it is more restricted than the public cloud. क्योंकि public is for all, private is for one, and community is for a group. मतलब it lies between private and public. यही है community. It belongs to a group of organizations. So suppose in this case there are two organizations, organization A and B, who owns this cloud together. ठीक है, तो दोनों ही यूज करेंगे, दोनों ही पे करेंगे फॉर द सर्विसेज. ओके, सो it allows the system, basically this model allows the systems and services to be accessible by a group of organizations. ठीक है, and because it is less restricted than private cloud or more flexible than private cloud, तो ये private cloud से थोड़ा less costly होता है. ठीक है, private clouds are more costlier, much costlier in fact. तो private cloud से थोड़ा less costlier होता है community cloud, but public cloud से ज्यादा होता है costly. ठीक है, obviously public cloud is very little cost or free of cost, लेकिन community cloud public से ज्यादा costlier होता है and less costlier than the private cloud. तो हमेशा जब भी you have to mention the pros and cons of a community cloud, you have to keep in mind the concept of the private as well as the public cloud, the advantages, disadvantages. Okay, because community lies between public and private. तो जो भी मतलब ये private से थोड़ा अच्छा है, public से थोड़ा ज्यादा restricted है. ठीक है, so this is what community cloud is. So as I said, advantages, it has got lower cost than private cloud. Okay, then शेयरिंग होता है. यहाँ पे प्राइवेट क्लाउड में शेयरिंग नहीं होता है बिकॉज इट्स कंप्लीटली ओन्ड बाय वन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. लेकिन यहाँ पे यू कैन शेयर द क्लाउड बिटवीन मल्टीपल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस. ओके, 2, 3, 4 जितने भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस है, you can share the companies can share the cloud among themselves. Okay, regarding security, of course it is less secured than private but more secured than public. Okay, so these are the advantages. Then talking about the disadvantages, of course, one of the major, actually again I am saying one of the major concerns when it comes to community, जैसे कि एक होता है ना, जैसे कि मेरा, तुम लोग समझो इस बात को, जब हम लोग डॉस डेस्कटॉप ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम पढ़ रहे थे तब मैंने तुम लोग को दिखाया था हाउ यू कैन हैव मल्टीपल यूजर्स फॉर योर सिस्टम, है ना। एक तो है एडमिन, राइट, you are the admin of your own system, ठीक है। then you can also have some guest users for your system, right? So there are standard users also for your system, there are guest users also for your system, admin also. तो admin क्या है कि admin का full control होता है over the system. So when you are the admin, that means the entire laptop belongs to you. You can control everything about your system, everything on your system, right? But suppose you want to share your laptop with 2 more students, then what will you do? You will create some guest accounts for them, ठीक है। और उन guest accounts में उन users को वही access मिलेगा जो admin ने उन लोगों को grant किया है, ठीक है। तो this is what segregation is. Data segregation is a very important concern when you are sharing something, okay, when you are sharing the resources, when you are sharing the services of a cloud or a system, because in this scenario two organizations are sharing the same cloud, so which are the resources that will be only used by organization A, which are the resources that will be only used by the organization B, or what are the systems, or which are the storage devices, so everything, which are the applications, okay। तो जो भी है applications हो, storage devices हो, network हो, ठीक है, जो भी service लिया है इन दोनों organizations ने, तो the cloud must take care, okay, the provider must take care कि जो भी organization A को belong करता है, that must solely belong to organization A only, that must not be given access to organization B, क्योंकि organization A का खुद का data रहेगा यहाँ पे, organization B का भी खुद का data रहेगा, तो जो data होगा that must be segregated so that none of them can interfere or intervene in each other's way. समझ आया? What is meant for A must be granted to A, what is meant for B must be granted to B, and access should not be interchanged, or data should not flow in and out. समझ आया मैंने क्या बोला? This is what data segregation is. Yes. So data segregation is a very important factor in community cloud. Okay. So data must be very properly segregated. If not, then it serves as a very big disadvantage for the organizations involved. जितने भी organizations होंगे, all their data will get compromised, or all the services, all the resources might get compromised, because when you are looking after an organization, the data is the main thing. Yes or no? It's the data that we are dealing with. At the end of the day, it is the data that we are dealing with. So data segregation is very important when you are looking after community cloud. Okay, so that can serve as a disadvantage if not properly looked upon. And another disadvantage is responsibilities among various organizations. So organizations are just like the cloud service provider is responsible for the data segregation. Okay, organizations are also responsible for looking after their own responsibilities. Whatever service they have been granted, they are to look after that service only. Okay, and they must be fully responsible for that service, okay, or those systems whichever they have been using. So that is all about the deployment models. So next class we'll discuss the service models, okay, a bit, and then we'll start with virtualization, module 1. Abo, clear?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
थोड़ा clear हुआ या नहीं cloud का?
Yeah, ma'am.
वाह.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyway, okay, I'll take the attendance now. Please respond. Akshadeep,
Yes, ma'am.
what's your ID and roll number?
035, ma'am.
035. Okay. Okay. Then Bhargav,
Present, ma'am.
roll number
Ma'am, 27.
27. Okay. Vidyashore,
Yes, ma'am.
roll number
8 sir, ma'am.
Huh?
8.
8.
Ah.
Okay. Okay. Next is Dipton. Dipton.
Present, ma'am.
Yes. What is your roll
Present, ma'am.
number? What is the roll number?
Ma'am, 26.
26. Okay. Those who responded can leave. Huh? Dipton, Akshadeep, then Bhargav, Vidyashwar, you can leave. Next is Dipankar.
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 19.
90.
Roll
Okay.
number 19.
Okay. Those who responded can leave. Next is Farziz.
Yes, ma'am. 12.
12. Okay. Hirokjyoti.
Yes.
Hirokjyoti. Kia.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your roll number?
5.
Huh?
5.
5. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Hirokjyoti is not responding. Hiya kola. Okay. Do you don't respond koila? You can leave. Okay. Junumoni.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Thank you. Junumoni.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number?
Yes, ma'am. 25.
Okay. Next is Lakshajit.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number.
11, ma'am.
Okay. Next, who is Mimi?
Yes, ma'am.
Who?
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
Mimiton Devi.
Oh, I'm so
31.
sorry. I forgot. Okay, okay. Roll number. What's the roll number?
31.
31. Okay. Next, Munmi.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number.
Ma'am, 14.
Okay. Nadeem. Those who responded can leave. Nadeem.
Ma'am, roll number 10.
Okay. Next, Kunasa. Prastuti.
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 9.
Okay. Sagar.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll
Ma'am, roll
number.
number 1.
Okay. Next is Shibani.
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 24.
24. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Shubham.
Yes, ma'am. Roll number 2.
2. Okay. Manav Pratim. Manav Pratim Sekya. Yes, Manav and Hero.
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. Ki kori asa iman de Matthias Mothoni pora. Hero roll number kwa.
Ma'am, roll number 13. 1 3.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.